Hi guys, here I am to explain you how to save your Adobe Illustrator file in the PNG format. For that, first of all, you have to open your Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Illustrator file. Let's assume I have that TK file. This is my logo that I want to save in the PNG format. For that, you have to click on the file option, and here you can see the save for web option. Clicking on that, and now this new tab will be opened, and here you can see on the right top corner here different formats are given. You can see GIF format, JPEG format, PNG format, any in any format you want to save, you click on that. For now we want to save it in the PNG format. Click on that. Here you can see some other options like transparency and others. So after clicking on the PNG format, you can click on the save option, giving it any name you want. Let's assume I want to give it name TK, and that's Techno, and save it. Right. So here you have saved the file. So here you can see that our file is in PNG format. In the top corner you can see that tk.png. So that's how you can save your Adobe Illustrator file in the PNG format. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye.